Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today we are going to make some of the 12 day of Christmas items, which is day 3, Christmas tag decor. So I'm going to take one of this tag sign that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm going to use the back part, and because the front is already decorated, I do not want to disturb the beauty of it, so I'm going to use the back part. Before that I just sanded down with the sandstone, and I'm just applying one coat. Actually I applied 2 to 3 coats to get like nice coverage. After that I just attached 2 of these masking tapes to get like a thin line, and I'm just taking this red acrylic paint, and with a thin brush I just drew that thin line in between those 2 masking tapes. And after it's dried, I'm going to draw one more thin line which is perpendicular to it and almost to the base of the tag sign. And I just wanted to give this farmhouse look to it. I've seen many of the crafting ladies do it, so I wanted to try my hand on it. So I just drew a thin line with the same dimension as the other vertical line. Now I'm also taking in the masking tape in a distance where it's like almost maybe a ½ inch, and using the masking tape I just drew next to this thin line just like that, and the excess line I just drew with white paint. I adjusted it to make it look straight. So I also did the same for the perpendicular way. So this is how those 2 ribbons look like after it's decorated. I'm so happy how these lines are looking nice. Now I got some of this ornaments from Dollar Tree, which is like spelling joy and one of the Christmas tree in red and black buffalo plate design. So I'm taking generous amount of hot glue and I'm just sticking just above those 2 meeting lines, and I'm also going to stick that Christmas tree just above it. And I also got some of this Christmas greenery and poinsettia and one of the green bell I just stuck in the center. It also gives decoration as well as nice sound when I move here and there. And yeah, I call this is done. This is one of the cute tag sign I'm very much happy with. I wanted to do this farmhouse lines from a long time, so I grabbed the opportunity to do this right now. And yeah, this is one of the sign that I wanted to share with y'all today. I'll try to make as much as I can for this 12 day of Christmas, so I was happy that I could make this one today. I love how this turned out, and I want to hear what your thoughts are. The other side, and this is also in the same tone of colors and same buffalo plaid with red and black. And I love that back with the burlap background, so I just left it like that. So this video would be part of 12 day of Christmas DIYs, and this is hosted by Brenda over Rustic Lace and DIY and Molly over Molly Cole Creations. I'm going to tag their crafting channels in the description box as well as the link to the playlist. So these are the 12 days of Christmas details. So this is day 3, tag decor. Let's move on to DIY number 2. For this DIY, I'm going to use this cute tag sign, and this is actually one of the gift bag, and I cut down this cute tag from this gift bag which already has some nice decorations, and I love those small things that are moving inside it. And this is also having a cute Santa's cart with a lot of gifts in it. So I also took one of this cardboard and I cut down according to the same size of this tag, and I'm just attaching this with hot glue. And I trimmed off the excess cardboard and I sanded down all the sides of this tag. Using this punching machine, I just made a hole so I can attach some of this ribbon to look like a tag. And I also, after it is done, I just took some of this jingle block to give like a support. I just attached to the back of it. Now it can stand on its own. And I also took some of this shiny decorative Christmas themed decorative card to decorate all around the tag just like that. to cover the raw edges. So you're going to see that in just a second how it's going to look. And I took some of this Christmas greenery with a lot of red berries and golden berries, and one of this small tiny pine cone, and I also attached one of this buffalo plate red and black bow as a ribbon to attach through that hole and to make it look like a cute tag. So yeah, this is one of the simple tag sign from a gift bag, and I thought that we can convert this into a beautiful DIY. I think it turned out great, so please let me know your thoughts. The tag sign that I got from Dollar Tree long time, and I'm going to make it as a cohesive family of the same theme. So I just pulled off that black and white buffalo plate ribbon, and then I created, actually this is already a pre-made bow that I got from Dollar Tree. I just attached that in the center of this Christmas greenery, just like that, and I'm attaching two of this holly leaves on either side, and to finish the look. This is not even a DIY, this is just like a decorating your already pre-made sign. And yeah, this is already done. I just added to all the collection today. So yeah, this is one of it. Some of my social media handles if you'd like to connect with me. And this is the final reveal of all the DIYs today, actually two. So yeah, these are two of these Christmas Tag Décors signs for 12 Day of Christmas themed DIYs, and I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me. If you like some of this idea, I'd be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join, and definitely don't forget to hit on the bell icon to get updated when I upload videos like this. And I want to take a moment to thank all of you for giving the continuous support and love. I am very much happy and grateful. Thank you so much, you guys. I would let you enjoy the final reveal. Until next time, if you'd like to see some of my videos, I'm going to tag some in the right corner of the screen. And like I always say, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.